Okay, from menus and toolbars, I'm dragging and dropping MenuStrip onto my form, and MenuStrip one control shown at the bottom. One time is enough because we'll have single menu here. Then here menu item 1, here will be menu item 2, and here I will have exit. Under menu item 1, okay. Under menu item 1, I will have menu 1.1, and here I can put menu 1.1.1. Here we can have menu 1.1.2. I can say menu 1.2 here, menu 1.3 here, and under menu 1.3 we can have some other submenus 131, menu 132. And you can apply the same things for other menu items. And we have exit here. Under menu 2, let me put menu 2.1 and menu 2.2. Okay. Now let's run the project and see how it is shown. And this is our form. I'm clicking menu. So you see we have submenus and submenus, okay? Okay. Of course, we have some additional things. For example, but before I show them to you, let me talk about how we can write a code for these menu items. For example, when menu 1.1.2 is clicked, let's display a message. So I am double clicking this, and you see the name of the sub menu will be shown here. Then tool strip menu item click. This is the event for that. When user clicks on that, so it will execute this code. Let me display a message box. Hello, okay? When this sub menu item is clicked, that message box will be shown. So I'm running the project. I am clicking on the item and message is shown. So it is possible to write program fragments for menu items. Let's say I want to write a code for menu 1.2, but what I will do for that, let me put a text box. I will write some text into text box. Okay. And when user clicks 1.2, I'm double clicking on that. So I will say text box 1.text is equal to menu 1.2 is clicked. Okay. Let's run the project. I am clicking menu 1.2 and it is shown here. So this is the way how you can detect when any menu item is clicked. Other than that, let me show you other things. For example, for menu 1.2, I want to put a shortcut. It's possible. I am choosing this menu item, and then in the properties part, we have shortcut keys, none. I will click down arrow, and I'm saying that, okay, Control, Shift, and let's say that A is the shortcut key of this menu item. Okay? So when you do that, shortcut is visible here. Okay? And when user press this shortcut key on the keyboard, it will trigger menu 1.2. Let's run the project and see what happens. I am on the form and I am saying Control-Shift-A. When I press Control-Shift-A on the keyboard, so menu 1.2 is triggered and the code is executed. The code is writing this message in the text box. So it's possible to do that. Other thing is, it's also possible, separate the items, menu items. Let's say that if you want to group menu items, for example, menu 1.1 and 1.2 are a group. They are, like this. When you look here, you see new, open, clone, start are a group. So then we have separator, we have add, we have separator, close, and close solution. This file is grouped, so you can use separator to group your sub menu items. So here I'm right clicking on menu 1.3 and I'm clicking insert and I'm saying separator. So separator will be added top of it, and when user clicks on that, separator will be shown. So I grouped menu 1.1 and 1.2 together other than 1.3. Okay. What else? You may add text box into your menu. You may add combo box. Okay? These are also possible. We have, as you see here, we have combo box and text box here. If you click combo box, okay, you can insert, here click combo box. And in properties, you can add some items in it. Let me say red, green, and blue. Let's run the project. I am clicking menu. So this is the text box, and this is the combo box, and you can choose an item. These are also possible. You can use text box or combo box in your menus. Okay? This is how to use menus in your on your Windows forms, actually in your projects. These are useful things and helps user to use your application easily.